Your news, your music, your station.
Radio Thailand, FM 88.
From the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, this is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Today is Tuesday, May 4th, 2021, the Coronation Day, and this is the Thailand's Evening News Hour. I'm Patreshko with Dr.
And I'm Nawarat Arya.
International headlines. His Majesty the King granted permission for people affected by the COVID-19 situation to sell goods in the parking lots of the Yalai Palace. Meanwhile, the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration reports 1,763 new cases of COVID-19, with 27 new fatalities.
Looking at the global stage, Taiwan becomes the latest place to ban arrivals from coronavirus-stricken India.
And on the Thai Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Team